So why can I not touch anything on my iPhone screen? Let me show you how you can fix it. Subscribe so we can get into it. So in most cases, when the phone becomes unresponsive, it's usually just caused by some software glitch or problem which would be fixed by restarting the device. But since we cannot really press anything, then we cannot really restart it. So that's why there is a forced restart method or feature implemented into our iPhones. And it uses only the physical buttons on the side of the device. So we have the volume buttons as well as the power button. So you just perform a sequence of pressing volume up, volume down, and then holding down on the power button. So you kind of have to do it in a succession like that. So you kind of do it a little quicker, then just keep on holding on the power button on the other side until the screen goes black and until the Apple logo appears. And in most cases, it's going to restart the phone and it will make it work normally. So it depends on what was going on or what caused the issue. But as I say, in majority of cases, it's going to get it fixed. If not, we can investigate further, and I would personally try to update to the latest iOS. Like, of course, if the screen doesn't respond, you cannot even get there. But if it kind of works and it kind of doesn't, then it could also be caused by a faulty display. Like literally the panel on the front could be faulty. And to check that out or to figure it out, I think it's best to get the iPhone Diagnostics app from the App Store. So if you can get there, I would recommend you to get this app, and it helps you test out the screen. So it's like letting you fill up the whole screen with the touch to make sure to see like where it responds to the touch and where it doesn't. And it can also help you test the multi-touch. So yeah, that's an app which I definitely use every once in a while if I suspect that my phone screen isn't working the best. So let me know how it ended and how you managed to fix it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to talk to you later in the future uploads.